Welcome, dear students, to Standard 5th subject Mathematics, Chapter 15 Patterns. Myself, Miss Komal Narute. So, in this module, you will be learning about pattern in maths. What are the square numbers? What are the triangular numbers? And types of patterns. So, let's get started. Mathematics is all about numbers. It involves the study of different patterns. There are different types of patterns such as number patterns, image patterns, logic patterns, word pattern, etc. Numbers patterns are very common in mathematics. These are quite familiar to the students who study maths frequently. Especially, number patterns are everywhere in mathematics. Number patterns are all the prediction. Few examples of number patterns are here. So, this is even number patterns, that is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18 and so on. Odd number patterns, that is 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19 and so on. Fibonacci number pattern, so that is 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 30, 21 and so on. So like this, you can see here the numerical pattern. So pattern in maths, we will see now. So in mathematics, the patterns are related to any type of events or objects. If the set of numbers are related to each others in the specific rule, then the rule or the manner is called a pattern. Sometimes patterns are also known as sequence. Patterns are finite or infinite in numbers. Let's see one example. So in a sequence 2, 4, 6, 8, what will be the next number? So here you can see that each number is increases by sequence 2. So the last number will be 8 plus 2, that is equal to 10. Now we will see square numbers. A square number is the result when a number has been multiplied by itself. So for example, 25 is a square number because it's 5 lots of 5 or 5 multiply 5. So what is a square number? A square number is the result when a number has been multiplied by itself. So here you can see some square numbers. So 1, 4, 9, 16, 25. So here these numbers are being multiplied by itself. So here you can see the pattern of this numbers. It is in the form of a square. So students, here you can see. Now we will see what are the triangular numbers. A triangular number or triangle number counts objects arranged in an equilateral triangle. So it is simply the number of dots in each triangular pattern. So here the first triangle has one dot. Here you can see the second triangle has another row with two extra dots, making 1 plus 2, that is equal to 3. So here the third triangle has another row with 3 extra dots, making 1 plus 2 plus 3. So that is equal to 6. So the fourth one has 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, that is equal to 10 dots. So by adding another row of dots and counting all the dots, we can find the next number of the sequence. So like this, we will find out the triangular numbers. Now we will see what are the types of patterns. So in mathematics, we have three types of pattern as follows. First one is repeating. So if a number pattern change in the same value each time, then the pattern is called the repeating pattern. So if a number pattern change in the same value each time, then the pattern is called a repeating pattern. So for example, here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. These all are the repeating patterns. Now second one is growing patterns. So if the numbers are present in the increasing form, then the pattern is also known as growing pattern. Getting it? So if numbers are present there are increasing form, that is in the form of increasing or growing, that we call as a growing. So for example, here you can see that 34, 40, 46, 52, these numbers are increasing in one form, so that we call as a growing pattern. Now we will see shrinking pattern. So in the shrinking patterns, the numbers are in decreasing form. So when the numbers will be in the decreasing form, that we call as a shrinking pattern. For example, 42, 40, 38, 36 and next number will be what? That will be 34. So this you can see these numbers are in the form of decreasing order. So that's why we call that as a shrinking pattern. So these all are the types of patterns. Now we will see patterns in floor tiles. So here the tiles in each picture below form a specific pattern. So observe that there is no gap or open ground between the two tiles. So here you can see the specific pattern of this tile. Now we will discuss problem set 53. Question number 1. Find the square numbers from the list given below. So here you can see the numbers list is given. From that you have to find out square numbers. So the numbers are 5, 9, 12, 16, 50, 60, 64, 72, 80 and 81. From this number you have to find out which are the square numbers. So students, you already know what are the square numbers. So a square number is the result when a number has been multiplied by itself. So you have to find out that result of numbers that has been multiplied by itself. So here your answer will be 9, 16, 64 and 81 are the square numbers. So when you multiply by 3, you will get 9. Then 4 multiplied by 4, you will get 16. So like this, you have to find out all the square numbers. Question number 2. Which are the triangular numbers in the given list? So from these numbers you have to find out which are the triangular numbers. So the list is here, you can see 3, 6, 8, 9, 12, 15, 16, 20, 21 and 42. So see students, you already know what are the triangular numbers. So a triangular numbers or a triangle number counts objects arranged in the equilateral triangle. So you already know that 1, 3, 6, 10, 15 and so on are the triangular numbers. So here your answer will be 3, 6, 15, 21 are triangular numbers. Question number 3. Name a numbers which is square as well as triangular. So students, there is only one number which is square as well as triangular. So that number is 36. So 36 is a square as well as triangular number. Question number 4. If 4 is the first square number, which one is the 10th one? So students, we already know what are the square numbers. So a square number is the result when a number has been multiplied by itself. So first number is 1. So when we multiply 1 multiplied by 1, you will get 1. So the second is 2 multiplied by 2, you will get 4. So the second number, square number is 4. So here now you will consider 4 is the first square number, so that you have to find out the 10th one. So if you see, the 10th one means 11 number will come there. So 11 multiplied by 11, you will get 121. So 121 is the 10th square number. Question number 5. If 3 is the first angular number, which is the 10th one? So students, in the previous slide we have already seen what are the triangular numbers. So here you can see, you will see the objects arrangement in equilateral triangles. So first, we already know that the first triangle has only one dot. Yes. So in second triangle, what you will get? In second triangle has the another row with two extra dot, making 1 plus 2, that is equal to 3. So that is your first number. Now that is 3 is your first triangular number. So here you have to find the 10th one. So you have to add the rows with extra dots, and you have to, means you have, by adding another row of the dots and the counting all the dots, we can find the next number. So here when you add up to the 10th, you will get 66 is the 10th triangular number. Here we completed with chapter number 15, patterns. Thank you, dear students.